Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Callie and I post videos related to modest fashion, makeup, and lifestyle every single Friday. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also turn on your post notifications so then you are notified every time that I post a new video. And also don't forget to hit that like button to show me that you are enjoying my content. So today I'm going to be filming a closet cleanout video. If you have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you will remember that I did do this, I think it was in December, so it's been about 6 months, and I typically clean my closet out about every 6 months just because I really only want to keep the things that I'm wearing and the things that are useful to me. Also, a real quick shout out to Delilah Farrell. I really love to watch her channel. She did a video about cleaning her room recently, and it was really inspirational, really motivational, and it inspired me to do this video. So I will have that video linked in the description box. And I have been doing organizing all over our house, so I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing videos about, organizing and cleaning all over the house. If so, go in the comment section and tell me what you think about that. Also, comment below any videos you would like to see from me in the future. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So these are all of my clothes. I have some storage at the top, and that little gray bin just has a couple really thick winter items. It's mainly socks and tights. And then down here I have some sandals and shoes that are just kind of a mess. And my clothes are really tightly compacted, so it's hard to get stuff in and take stuff out, which means I don't really put things away as much as I should. And besides these clothes in the closet, I only have one drawer that has just some t-shirts and some clothes that I don't really care if they get messed up from, hiking or painting or anything like that. And I wanted to just start by putting everything out on the bed section by section, and then going through them. And these are all of my shirts, but keep in mind that these are all 4 seasons. And also, for those of you who do not know me or have never seen my channel, may think, wow, she has a lot of dresses, but I only exclusively wear skirts and dresses, so I do have quite a few more than most people would, but that's because that's all I wear. items that I got rid of. It doesn't look like a ton. There are some hangers mixed in here. But I just wanted to get kind of whatever I didn't wear out of my closet. Okay, so this is the finished product. Got all of those shoes hung up there. I do have a couple of purses hung on there. So, welcome to my closet. I hung up both of those jackets right here on the door. Because there's a little nail there, and honestly I don't wear jackets and hoodies a lot, so both of those are fine. I have dresses all up until here, which may look like a lot to some people, but remember I do only wear dresses and skirts, so it's not actually that much. These are all of my shirts and cardigans and dress shirts, casual, all of them. And then this is my skirt area. I put some boots up here. They are not the best because I did kind of turn them back and forth. That green jacket I just put right there because it's only for like when it's chilly out. And then up there I have a bunch of tights and warm socks and things like that. And down here I do have every pair of shoes that came with a box right there. Got that pair of ankle boots right there. And then right here I've got those 2 pairs of heels, those little loafers, and then just some sandals right here. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all next week. Bye guys.